Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Sail Away Wine. It's a media relations manager, part-time, work from home. It pays $18 an hour to up to $25 an hour. Sail Away Wine is the largest and most successful self-serve wine bar in the Midwest and one of the top 10 wine restaurants by volume of wine sold in the Kansas City region. The existing management team is working aggressively to develop the business into a multiple location model, and we're seeking an individual to manage national and local earned media strategies, tactics, and operations. This is a part-time position, only 8 hours a week, working 90% of the time from home, the coffee shop, or wherever the travels take you. This is a great opportunity to be involved in early and an emerging business in the exciting wine industry. At this time, the position will be focused on earned media and does not involve graphic design, social media, website content, email campaigns, etc., although the opportunity to grow into those roles may be available in the future. The candidate must have excellent verbal and interpersonal skills with the ability to create concise, compelling content and follow AP style. Copywriting and attention to detail are imperative. Must have portfolio of written samples, including news release, feature stories, pitch letters, talking points, and targeted messages for various media outlets. Must be available to work independently. Ideal candidate will have work of experience in the wine industry, a bachelor's in English and or journalism with consumer experience. Hours will be flexible. You can check them out on Instagram or Facebook. The job is part-time, pays $18 to $25 per hour. The benefits are employee discounts, flexible schedule, self-determined schedule, education, bachelor's required, experience, earned media 1 year required, and language English fluently required. So if you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular job, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We have 5 to 7 job leads every single day, 7 days a week right here for you. So all you have to do to keep up to date is just subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.